आप देख रहे हैं आप 24/7 और आज दूसरा दिन है ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी अदाकारा मौजूद हैं जिनके बारे में जितना कहूँ कम। फिलहाल मैं उन्हें खुद देखकर लाइव परफॉर्मेंस उनके खुद देखकर आया हूँ और बता ही देता हूँ, सुचित्रा पिल्ले मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं। कैसे हैं मैम? सबसे पहले
फर्स्ट क्लास बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे मैं आई और स्टूडेंट से मिली और ये पुरस्कार भी मिला मुझे आज, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
मैम अब जल्दी से आपका एक रैपिड फायर राउंड लेते हैं जल्दी से। ओके सो acting or VJing, closest to your heart?
Acting.
Okay. Second role in a mainstream commercial movie or an author backed role in an indie film?
Author backed role in a?
Indie film.
Author backed role in an indie film.
Okay. Which one character in a film or web series that you have watched recently and you felt like that you could have done it better?
Purna Jagannathan in Wolves.
Oh, nice. Acha, okay. Your most loving co-star that you have worked with?
So many. What, on serials or in movies or what?
Overall, let's say.
Yeah, most loving co-star there's a whole list because I have adopted many people from all of my serials. So there's one son who is now actually like a son. There is one another son from another. So like that many people. But most I would say Saif. I have a soft spot.
I was expecting this only. Yeah. Okay, womanly voices or Dance Like a Man? Your most challenging role on stage.
Dance Like a Man.
Okay.
For sure. Womanly voices, I did a lot of roles, but Dance Like a Man, I did 2 roles, but it's my best piece of work in 30 years.
Yes, and and this is for the audience that I saw her in that. अभी जो कमानी में हुआ उसमें मैंने देखा and you won't believe, because I have myopia. I don't have.
Let me know after the play. Did you not meet me?
Actually, no. It was so crowded and everything. So basically, I wear specs. I don't have specs that time. I have myopia. तो शुरुआत में मैं समझ नहीं पाया that who is this 25-26 years old lady. I'm not kidding, because she was playing the role of the daughter, right? So I was like, कौन है ये, क्या है? लेकिन later on I realized कि okay, this is you.
कर रही हूँ वो role. अभी 54 की हो गई हूँ. So yeah, I was 27 when I joined. I'm still playing a 25-year-old.
But see, और सिर्फ play नहीं कर रहे हैं, दिख भी वैसे रहे हैं. So yeah. Okay, one film or role that changed your perspective towards cinema.
That changed my perspective towards cinema. Karkash, a film that I did. My films I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. Karkash was a film by Kamal Sadana. I was opposite Anup Soni. It was the first time somebody gave me a de-glamorized role. I played a Gaon Ki Chhori type of thing. Not many people have seen that, but it's a powerful story about women empowerment. And that definitely changed my outlook towards what I was going to do as an actor.
Okay. Priya in Dil Chahta Hai और Anjali in Pyar Ke Side Effects. Which one did you enjoy the most in playing an annoying character? क्योंकि obviously
many annoying characters I played, but Priya.
Oh, nice. अच्छा, obviously Dil Chahta से सवाल है अगला भी. Okay, if not Priya from Dil Chahta Hai, then what one role do you want the audience to remember you forever?
Which I've already done up to now. 2 things, maybe one, my film The Valley, where I won Best Actress in Milan and Long Island, and from a Tamil film that I've just done, which is coming up now.
Okay.
That you will see, I'm a completely different. I play the head of a tribe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The tribe is all men, and I'm the. How can I talk about it? But yeah, I'm the woman tribal leader and man.
Wow.
That, yeah.
I know, मजा आने वाला है उस रोल को देखते हुए. Okay, अब फाइनली एक लेट्स से आखिरी सवाल. तो क्योंकि अगर मैं सबको ऑडियंस को बता दूं, मैम गाते भी हैं और इनफैक्ट इन्होंने करियर का शुरुआत एक फ्रेंच गाने से, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, हमने किया था. फ्रेंच फिल्म से किया था. पर अगर इनका जो लेटेस्ट गाने की अगर बात करूं तो यारा जो मैम का गाना है, बस एक वर्स अगर हो जाए तो क्या ही बात.
Delhi weather, Bombay weather, this is what's but I'll sing. नहीं तो आप YouTube पे देख ही लेना यारा. Okay?
नहीं, बट फिर भी लाइव एक बार.
यारा बिन तेरे ना गुजारा, यारा आजा दिल ने पुकारा, तू ही मंजिल, तू ही रास्ता, तू ही मेरा कारवां, जाना पहचाना तुमसे है प्यार कोई रिश्ता हमारा, माना दिल दीवाना, मैं लहर तेरी तू मेरा किनारा, यारा As you can tell, I've got a blocked nose, I've got a sore throat,
बट
but I sang for you.
फिर भी अगर बगल में बैठ के गूज़बम्स आ सकते हैं तो आप समझ सकते हैं क्या गाना था। आपके लाइफ में कोई इंसान जिसको ये गाना डेडिकेट करते हैं,
जिसको ये
जिसे डेडिकेट करते हैं जिसको ये
Oh
गाना?
my God, I wrote it for my husband. यारा मैंने 2004 में लिखा था. मैं
Wow.
24 now. मेरे हस्बैंड फॉरेनर है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया उसको, तो मुझे ट्रांसलेशन तभी लिखना पड़ा. I had to tell him what यारा means. दिन तेरे ना गुजारा, यारा आजा दिल ने पुकारा. Every word, everything I had to write. अभी जो निकला है यारा is the revamped version of Yara, which was out in 2011. But there was no duet there. There was no male. Sameer, the singer, he wrote those lyrics of that bit of the duet, and he decided to revamp the production. And because it's such a beautiful song, और ऐसे ही पड़ा था यार. So, but my next one is with Papon.
वाओ वाओ,
That's we've done a video too, and that's going to be out soon. It's called
Super
the Sad
ex-
Song. The Sad Song.
द नेम इज सैड सॉन्ग।
Yeah, the name
वाओ
is the
वाओ,
Sad Song.
ओके,
He sang in Assamese and I've sung in English.
ओह वाओ, ओके। सो मैम ने समीर जी की बात की, मेरा नाम भी समीर है। मेरे लिए अगर आप कुछ एडवाइस देना चाहें आगे मीडिया इंडस्ट्री या एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में, मेरे को भी बहुत दिलचस्पी है, तो एक एडवाइस जो आप देना चाहें।
समीर नाम है तेरा? समीर! मेरे साथ वक्त गुजार रहे हैं या नहीं, ये तुम सोचने के लिए वक्त चाहिए. Sorry, every time I Samiर, I remember दिल चाहता है. But your advice to you and to everybody is that energy needs to be there. That drive needs to be there. Ambition needs to be there, but to the extent that you do not step on anybody's toes to get to where you have to be. There's place for everybody at the top, in the middle, even at the bottom. From the bottom, you'll go to the middle, you'll go to the top. Do not push anybody else out. Your opportunity is your opportunity. It will only come to you. कोई कुछ भी कहे, कोई कुछ भी करे. You can stand on the rooftops. Like I just said, you know, if Poorna did Wolves, it's because Poorna Jagannathan was supposed to do Wolves and not
Exactly.
Suchitra Pillai. But if Suchitra did Valley, she was still around, and I
Exactly.
was supposed to do it, and she did it. You understand what
Totally.
I'm saying? So Naseem में लिखा है यार. I always believe लिखा होता है, especially in our industry. So don't get pulled down by rejection. Use it as a springboard to what's next, and hone your craft, hone your talent with whatever free time that you get. Do not give up. That's all I'll say.
वाओ वाओ वाओ, ओके। थिएटर और कैमरा? आई नो द आंसर,
Theatre.
obviously. That was सुचित्रा पिल्ले. थैंक यू सो मच मैम। वी रियली वांट आप बार बार आएं और हमें ऐसे ही एंटरटेन करते रहें। यू आर वॉचिंग AFT 24/7 नोएडा।